Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Merch Bett&win. It has been long. You guys will be missing my tricks, but just that I have been working to see if I can meet up with new tricks. That's why all this while I never post. But before I show you some tricks here, let me show you the latest I got that bring this winning you are seeing here. This 104k you are seeing here. What bring this winning is 1,600 naira, just 1,600 naira. See the one I cash out 8,944. I stake 500. This one 1k. This one 100 naira. So this is 1,600. I bring this 104k you are seeing on my balance here. So this is the trees I've been working for long. See the trees here when I'm never perfect with it. So you can see this 89 odd. Only one that caught it is only just one. Only one gain that caught it. This thing you are seeing now is 89 odd, and you can see it here 89 odd. So this 89 odd, imagine you put 1,000, you're going to get 9,000 or 19,000. So can see it here is only one that caught it. This is all about straight winning that come with two odds, but there is a twist for this. Only one option that I will show you, you'll be getting it right. Only one option that I will show you, you'll be getting it right. So you can see it. Only one caught this. You can see that I stake little because I want to be sure about it. That's why I just take 100 now on it. I'm still monitoring it till I get it right here. Here I just take 100 now here. So when I get it right here, I take 1k to upgrade. So here now 400 orders, take 500. I cash out this. And you can see it on my balance 104k. So this is one option that I will show you. You don't need to go and open table, open statistics, checking their last match, discuss the double chance, all this. No, there is the option that I will show you and show you things to check, and you will be getting your boom. You'll be booming all the time. Any amount you put, you will get profit on it. This is the latest tricks on Zoom Soccer right now. So this is the latest on Zoom Soccer right now. Don't forget that this is Zoom Soccer. So this is the latest tricks that I just discovered. That's why I'll be working all this while to be sure about it. If not because of this one now, I never get it right, I'll boom this 89 odd. I would have booked this 89 odd. So this is when I never perfect for this, and you can see only one. All the two all others win very well. So here I get it right. You see it. Here I get it right. So that's when I started using these tricks, and it's working perfectly. These tricks now, you see, you can use it in the morning, you can use it in the evening, you can use it in the midnight. I will show you the time you need to use it, and make sure you fund the account first before picking all these odds, so that once you get your odds, you just book it immediately, so that sometimes you may get all that you're looking for, and when you want to fund the account, network will start their own issue. By then some games will start. Maybe by the time you fund it later, some of the games may be scored maybe within 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 10 minutes. By then the odd will reduce. So that's why before you pick this, make sure you fund the account first. Even if you don't have enough, let there be any amount on your balance, so that even if you try to add more to it, even if network is just allow you, you can use any amount you have on your distance stake. That's why I use 100 naira here and stake and win this 2k the first time, because network didn't allow me. That's why I'm giving you these tips for you to know. Make sure you have money first before picking your odds. This odd is working like perfectly, working mad, working like. And if I say let me push this, the secret about this, they may change it. So let's make money with it first. So in case you need this, chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. The number that show you on the screen, chat me on it, and I will show you the tricks. I will tell you the amount for the tips. I will make a video for it and send to you. Don't forget to, that is not for free. I will tell you the amount for it, for the tips. So I will show you the strategy and tricks that you need to use and get your profit, be getting your winning every day by yourself. Or you want me to be giving you code for 30 days or 2 weeks, I will add you on the group. So chat me on WhatsApp for this. What's with number shown on the screen. Thank you guys. This is Bett&win. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post new tricks. See you on the new video. Bett&win. Don't forget to like and share this video.